Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out the W-4 form for married individuals. First, let's look at step 1, which is all about entering your personal information. You'll need to provide your name, social security number, and address. For married filing jointly, both spouses will check the married filing jointly box. This step is straightforward, ensuring your employer has your correct identifying details for tax purposes. It's a quick and essential start to the process. Next, we move to step 2, which is crucial if you or your spouse have multiple jobs or if both of you work. You have 3 options here. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator, complete the multiple jobs worksheet, or simply check the box in 2C if your incomes are similar and you have 2 jobs total. Choosing the correct option helps ensure accurate withholding throughout the year, preventing under- or overpayment of taxes. This step is vital for managing your tax liability effectively. Now let's tackle step 3, where you'll account for dependents. If your total income is $165,000 or less for single filers, or $200,000 or less for married filing jointly, you can claim a $2,000 credit for each qualifying child. For other dependents, you can claim a $500 credit. Then in step 4, you can add other income not from jobs like interest or dividends and claim deductions beyond the standard amount. This helps fine-tune your withholding. Finally, we arrive at step 5, where you will sign and date the form. This signature certifies that the information you've provided is correct to the best of your knowledge. Without your signature, the form is not valid, and your employer cannot process it. After signing, submit the completed W-4 form to your employer's payroll department. Remember to review your withholding periodically, especially after major life events, to ensure it remains accurate for your financial situation. This ensures proper tax management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.